Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday right now. Just took the kids to school. I guess I didn't get all my makeup off because it's still pretty on there, pretty good. And I keep like wiping my eyes and nothing's coming off, so I guess soap and water or lotion. But I am headed off to the beach. First things I need to do are I need to eat breakfast. That's very important. And then, oh, I just noticed there's a nest. I'm gonna show you guys the nest if you can see it. That's so cool. Okay, so I need to eat breakfast and, oh, that's so cute. Okay, sorry. And then pack like a little, like, light snack and then like a water bottle and stuff for the beach, so I'm planning on staying there for a little while. So yeah, let me show you the birds. I think there's some babies in there. Oh, there's so many in there. I never noticed. Alright, let's zoom in and see if you guys can see the birds. You see them? Right there? There's a little nest and there's some baby birds in there. I think she just sat on one. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit more. Is that a baby right there? There's a baby. Come on. You can see it moving right in the middle. Actually, that one right there is the baby, I think. Yeah, two babies. Oh, you little baby birds. Oh. They're so cute. You trying to fly? That is so cool. I think they're woodpeckers. What type of bird is that, guys? Blue jay? That is pretty cool. Everybody say hi to Puppy Ein. Say hi to Ein. Say hi to Ein. I'm not gonna chase you. What's going on? What's going on? Sniffed it. You smell like... Do I smell like sunscreen? Is that what's going on? What is that look? What is that look for? What is going on? Anybody want to see a corgi run? Hey. What are you doing? Someone forgot to turn off their light last night. Funny. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it. You little butt wiggle. He's trying so hard. Go on. giving it to me now? Hey. Ready? You gotta catch it. Back up. Back up. Sit. Ready? Almost. That poor bunny. That poor bunny. Ein, you're killing it. You're killing it, Ein. Alright guys, just made it to the beach. I'm not going to take you guys on the camera because I don't want to get it messed up with all the sand. So I will have my cell phone with me. I'm not sure if I'm going to be recording anything, but we'll find out. So yeah, it's the beach. Beach. Yeah. Time to get tan, time to get fit. Go. Alright, talk to you guys later. It's around 3 o'clock now. I just picked up the kids from school because it's early dismissal day. Right now I'm cleaning the bathroom and just straightening up my room, and then I'm going to work on my mother's Mother's Day present. And then, yeah, that's all I really have planned today. We're having taco salad for dinner, so that should be fun. I got avocados and I figured I needed to use them somehow, so there we go. Yeah, and then after that, oh yeah, I need to work on Monday's vlog and Tuesday's vlog, so yay! And I'll go ahead and put this one together and then have that ready to go so I can put it up either tonight or tomorrow. It's like the worst part is like the editing's fun and stuff, it's uploading it takes forever. Like saving it and then uploading it, and then it does another thing and it's like, oh my gosh, so it just takes forever. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and clean and I'll check in with you guys later. Hey guys, I figured I'd show you how I'm making my mother and how I made my sister's Disney headband. So the first thing you're going to need is just a plain old headband. Second thing you're going to need is, you can get this all at Michael's, by the way, like this silver wire, and you're going to need it a little thick because you're going to need to be able to see it when it's singled. So I bought black because she's going to do a Minnie Mouse. This is black wire compared to the silver. I got my Minnie Mouse cup right here. So you're also going to need scissors, this, like a marker, a paper to kind of lay out where you want to do the wire, extra wire. I bought a set. It came with 3 wire cutters and kind of like benders, like another pair of like, it holds it so you can bend it. Just a scrap fabric that we're going to put on the inside of the headband so that way the metal isn't digging into their scalps. And then for hers, I'm using these white flowers, which I think I'm going to dye. We're going to figure that out together. Because hers is very plain. And then her t-shirt that she has is gray with a light pink and this color like a teal. So I'm going to try to do like maybe a bow or something. And I also have this leftover like bling that I was going to put on hers because she likes sparkly things. So I'll figure something out. But we'll see as we go. So I am going to grab, what was it I was going to use? I was going to go grab some makeup real quick so I can like experiment with her ears. Alright guys, I did find, I need to match it up and see, I wonder if I lighten it. I'm thinking taking the eyeshadow, and this is like old as crap, and seeing if I can do like an ombre on the ear, on the flowers. Let me see, and I found also pink spray, so I can also try that. So I'm going to grab some paper towels to keep this kind of clean, and hey guys, so I just finished my mom's ears, which I can show you real quick. So I'm matching it to her t-shirt. So, oh, that's the front. Got a bow. I just added this sparkle stuff. So, pretty cute. Pretty cute. So yeah, they're all done. Now I gotta wait for mine, which should be coming in tomorrow, hopefully. So I'm gonna call it a night. It's already like 12:30. No, not 12:30. 10:30. Wow, shows you how tired I am. All right, good night, guys. Have a good day. Good night. See you tomorrow. Bye.